Everybody, I have been racking my brain over this Canon 80D and the fact that it has this clicking and hissing sound occasionally, and I could not figure out what it was, but after some trial and error I realized that when I put it up next to my router and my router's on, I've got a Netgear R7000 or something like that, and whenever my camera's close to it, it gets that hissing sound and that clicking sound. You can hear it right there. So whenever you're recording, the further away you get from it, the better it is, because you don't have all that feedback. So if you are experiencing the clicking and hissing on a Canon 80D with a Rode mic, you're probably too close to your router.